Sewage sludge is the waste produced during wastewater treatment. If treated in closed vessels in anaerobic conditions, it generates a large amount of biogas, a methane-rich gas with a high energetic value which can be used for on-site electricity and heat generation. Today, in most wastewater treatment plants, biogas is either not used at all or used with inefficient technologies. The BIOCELL project, coordinated by Cetaqua with the participation of EMWASA, Suez Environment and Degremont, and funded by the European Commission programme Life Plus, investigated biogas energy recovery using a very innovative and efficient technology: fuel cells.
Two pilot plants have been specifically designed and constructed for this project. One at Mataró wastewater treatment plant and the other at Murcia Este wastewater treatment plant, in order to assess the technical, economical and environmental viability of green energy production with biogas-powered fuel cells. Aquology will market in the future the products and services derived from this applied research project.
A fuel cell is a device that allows a direct conversion of fuel's chemical energy into electricity without any intermediate steps. In this way, it's possible to double the electrical efficiencies obtained with conventional internal combustion engines.
Biogas produced at Mataró wastewater treatment plants needs to be thoroughly cleaned before being introduced into the fuel cell. First, it passes through this column, which reduces the concentration of sulfur compounds, and afterwards through several adsorbent beds to remove the rest of contaminants. Once it is completely clean, it can enter the fuel cell, which produces 2.8 kilowatts of green electricity and sanitary hot water at 50 degrees.
A similar facility with a 3 kilowatt fuel cell has been installed at the wastewater treatment plant of Murcia Este. Biogas cleaning, the process of removing sulfur, silicon, hydrocarbon and halogenated compounds present in biogas, is one of the most important technological problems to solve in order to guarantee long-term and high-efficient fuel cell operation. Therefore, it has been a key aspect in the BIOCELL project.
The results obtained at both biogas treatment plants using different biogas treatment technologies have been very positive. Both with chemical and biological systems, the concentration of hydrogen sulfide has been reduced from more than 4,500 parts per million down to less than 1 part per million, which is the stringent inlet requirement of fuel cells. Electrical efficiencies greater than 40% have been observed, showing that the deployment of these technologies at wastewater treatment plants is possible in the future. It is still necessary to carry out additional experiments in order to assess their long-term performance.
This project is another step to maximize our energy resources and to reduce the emissions of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere responsible for climate change. Aquology is committed to the development of innovative technologies like those of the BIOCELL project, produced at home but with a clear international projection in improving the environment.